Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. And Washington Street part 5, part 1 phase 5. And before we leave guys, let me show you where I am now. This is Morris Street. See, Morris Street is this right here, and just like back there about one block down, you had Cedar going here and Washington starts there. Now this is Morris Street, but right in the middle it finishes, and now Washington starts again, the last one. So before we leave, let me show you where I am guys. And by the way guys, you see this small place here? This is called the Wooey Place. All this in Google you see it is called Wooey Place, so I might as well capture now. But it's like one small space, Wooey Place. Now that you see where I am, we're gonna start our final journey on Washington Street phase 5 now. Again, this is Morris Street. Here in the middle, it divides into Morris, Washington Street, Morris Street. Last and final phase 5, heading southbound. And it's only one block guys, only one block. So you see, Washington is being almost like cut off 5 pieces. Ramp, nice. And up ahead guys, you're gonna see what's part of the battery park. Like I said guys, now some of these clips are gonna be really small, again because they do not connect entirely. It's just by pieces. And down there's a tunnel, the battery tunnel, as in the words of Metallica, battery. Okay guys, so as you can see, we're coming to the end of the video. Thanks for walking with me on this journey as always. Don't forget to like me a lot, share the gold, share the wealth, share the glory. Comment, document. Also, denme un like, un share, documenten y comenten. We're coming to the end of the video, and the last and final stop, Washington Street phase 5. Washington Street part 1 phase 5. Right here in this corner guys. And I will see you all somewhere in time. Say hello to my little friend, the sun. Okay guys, till next time, bye.